Hi, today we're going to be installing IoT equipment in Baltic Street in Barbican, London. This will be on the VRF system, air conditioning, monitoring current and voltage. 16 to 21 Baltic Street, Barbican, London. IoT equipment will be installed on a commercial VRF system on the roof at Baltic Street. This serves one floor of the building. IoT equipment we're installing today is one node, one gateway and 3 CT clamps.
Right, so first stage of the process here is the CT clamps that you've seen before. They go around each phase of the power, so you've got L1, L2, L3. Doesn't matter which side of this bar you put it on, as long as it's around each phase, not the earth and not the neutral. Second stage, we've got single phase power into the node here. There's a tolerance of between 100 to 240 volts, so you can use power within that range, so 110 is perfectly okay. So now that we've wired up the live and the neutral to the power end, we're going to connect the other ends of the CT clamps onto here. So the red being positive as always and the white being neutral will go into the top here like so. Right, so now you can see all 3 CTs here, 1, 2, 3, connected up to the top side of the node, power down here, CT clamps on the top. Now we're going to connect the wireless gateway to the single phase power supply we've got here. Once we plug this in to the single phase power here, and then we will connect it onto the gateway. It is as simple as that. Now this will communicate wirelessly to the node that we wired up previously, and that is it.